Now I teach you how to change the settings, boiler and the tank. This IC-Tech gadget. First, turn off. It's open, and press this off and SP simultaneously. Just press 1, 2, 3 seconds, and the password is 12. And press again. Boiler 1. You want to change this one, scroll up, scroll down. Change 82, 83. Boiler 2. Want to change 3. Boiler 3. And also the tank. The tank you want to change 61, 62. Okay, and you want to save, just long press again. Okay, save and close and on. Start. Okay.